Guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September the 30th, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and I've already solved one puzzle. The 3 stars Sudoku, well, actually it's a 1 star. So 3 puzzles remain. The binary we have here, yeah. We have here the jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. And this one is the 4 star Sudoku, yeah. And this one will be number 7192. 7192. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, yes. Definitely a 4 stars. It's an indication of the difficulty level. 24. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me plug in the power cable. Alright, 77% the battery. Okay, before I start, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 2 2s, no, 3 2s, 1 2 3, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So it's divided. Well, it's divided. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Pick. How about 8? We have 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So on the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay, now, other number, how about 2 in the third row? 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 2 3. Oh, we have 4 2s. Overlooked. 2 2 2 2 2. Well, 2 2 2 2 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about a 9 in this column? 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be there. You see a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. How about the number? Need a 3 here. 1 2 3 4. All missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the middle column. No 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 6 6. 1 and 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 1 6 8. 1 6 8 1 6 8 1 6 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this column. No 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 6 6. Okay. 4 7 7 7 7. Interesting. 1 we have a 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 here. I need a 3 here. Well, we have a 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. Okay, so the 7 and We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, we place level 2 should be here. So what is left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above down, we place level 2 should be there. 7. Okay, need 6 in this row, overlooked. 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, okay. Interesting. 6, 6. How about a 3 here? Need a 3 here, need a 6 here. 7. 7. Need an 8 here. 2, 3, need a 6, okay. And now. Need an 8 here. Okay. What's happening? Let me think. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Yep, we have a pair. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 9. So here we need a 9. The 3, okay. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, and a 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this row should be the 1 here. Yeah. 1 is missing here. Alright. 1 and 8. We have a 1 now. In this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the... we have a pair here. 6 and 8 in this column. 6 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 6 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. Same for the... Well... Need 8 here. Yeah, 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the column next, so no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. 4, 4. Yeah. Now, need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in the third row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 4. Okay, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in the first row. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what number is this in this big square? Those missing, the missing number here should be the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in the 9, we have 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, only 3 place left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the row below, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. All right. Now I can continue with the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 place left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Then 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. Okay. Alright. 4, 1, and the 9. 4, 1, and the 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. And look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this middle row. So no 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So what is left? Should be the 4. Okay. 1 and 9. Well, I hate to mark those boxes outside the big square. The chance is more for making mistakes here. Okay. Let me see. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and 9, okay. 1, 9, and need a 5 here. Okay. Then. We have a 1 in the first row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Okay. My goal is to solve 4 numbers, then it will be easy for filling those numbers here. Okay, 1 box left in the third column for number 1. Okay, 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5 cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 5. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers? 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. The two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. Let me mark those. 4 and 7. Okay. Here also 4 and 7. One box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. I need a 4 here. Okay. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Wow. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left on 7 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.